Welcome to NEERAJA'S Biology Academy. I am Neeraja Prakash, faculty in biology, worked in different institutions like Chaitanya, Narayana, Green Park and Akash as an assistant professor. Here, I want to give a small analysis related to previous NEET papers starting from 2019 Odisha to 2016 Phase 1 and Phase 2 papers. The analysis related to unit wise, chapter wise, area wise for quick revision. Previous NEET papers, 6 papers I have taken. 2019 Odisha, 2019, 2018, 17, 16, Phase 1 and Phase 2. Out of these 6 papers, so where right from which unit how many bits are contributed out of 540 bits. So these are the 6 papers I have taken for analysis, and these are the 10 units. So let us see right from which unit how many bits are contributed. Out of these 10 units, maximum number of bits are contributed from human physiology. Second stood genetics and evolution. Third position is occupied by reproduction. So we have to focus to maximum extent on human physiology next to this, and then next to reproduction topic. And then let us take unit 1, diversity, living world. So in this we are having, in this unit, 4 chapters are there. The living world, biological classification, plant kingdom and animal kingdom, of which maximum number of bits came right from biological classification. And next move to the unit 2, structural organization in plants and animals. It is having 3 chapters: morphology of flowering plants, anatomy of flowering plants, structural organization in animals. Maximum number of bits are contributed by anatomy of flowering plants. And the next, let us see unit 3, cell structure and its functions. Just having 3 chapters. Unit of life, the cell, unit of life, biomolecules, cell cycle and cell division. Here, maximum number of bits came from cell, the unit of life. So focus to maximum extent on this particular area. And then unit 4, plant physiology, which is having 5 chapters: transport in plants, mineral nutrition, photosynthesis in higher plants, respiration in plants, plant growth and development. More bits came from transport in plants, also from photosynthesis in higher plants. And the next unit is human physiology. Totally 7 chapters are there: digestion and absorption, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluids and circulation, excretory products and their elimination, locomotion and movement, neural control and coordination, chemical control and integration, of which more number of bits appear right from chemical control and integration. Unit 6, reproduction. 4 chapters are there: reproduction in organisms, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction and reproductive health. Right from this unit, more number of bits appeared in the previous papers from the sexual reproduction in the flowering plants. I am giving the analysis with respect to the 6 papers alone. Keep that in your mind. And then next one, Unit 7, Genetics and Evolution, which is having 3 chapters: Principles of Inheritance and Variations, Molecular Basis of Inheritance, and Evolution. More number of bits came from molecular base of inheritance. This is a unit where, especially right from this chapter, nearly minimum 5 bits, maximum 6 bits we are getting. Unit 8, Biology and Human Welfare, with 3 chapters: Human Health and Diseases, Strategies for Enhancement of Food Production, Microbes in Human Welfare. Maximum number of bits appear right from Human Health and Diseases. And then Unit 9, Biotechnology and its Applications, which is associated with 2 chapters: Biotechnology Principles and Process, Biotechnology and its Applications. Maximum number of bits appeared from Biotechnology, Principles and Process. Here is the 10th unit, Ecology and Environment, which is having 4 chapters: Organisms and Populations, Ecosystem, Biodiversity and Conservation, Environmental Issues. Of these 4 chapters, maximum number of bits appeared from environmental issues. And let us move to the chapter-wise analysis. Here, let us see the chapter-wise analysis. So, right from chapter 1, the living world, more number of bits came from nomenclature. Chapter 2, Biological Classification, maximum number of bits appeared right from NEERA topic. Chapter 3, Plant Kingdom. Out of all these areas, more number of bits appeared from the topic Gymnosperms. Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. Most of the bits came from non-chordates and chordates. Equal contribution is associated with respect to these 2 topics. Chapter 5, Morphology of Flowering Plants. More number of bits came from flower. Chapter 6, Anatomy of Flowering Plants, out of which more number of bits, out of the 6 papers, more number of bits came from secondary growth. Structural organization in animals. Maximum number of bits came from animal tissues. Chapter 8, Cell, the unit of life. Maximum number of bits came from eukaryotic cell. Chapter 9, Biomolecules. Maximum number of bits came from the topic enzymes. Chapter Cell Cycle and Regulation, Cell Regulation, where more number of bits came from meiosis topic. Chapter 11, Transport in Plants. Maximum number of bits came from transpiration area. Chapter 12, Mineral Nutrition. Maximum number of bits came from essential mineral elements, and then almost the same percentage of bits came right from these 2 areas. Chapter 13, Photosynthesis in higher plants. More contribution or Haslett cycle pathway right from this area, more number of bits came. Chapter 14, respiration in plants. Maximum number of bits came from aerobic respiration. In chapter 15, plant growth and development, maximum number of bits came from plant growth regulation. Chapter 16, digestion and absorption. So maximum number of bits came from digestive system and also digestion of food. Chapter 17, breathing and exchange of gases. Maximum number of bits came from mechanism of breathing. Chapter 18, body fluids and circulation. More number of bits came from blood, lymph. Chapter 19, expiratory products and their elimination. So, equal contribution of the bits right from these three areas, from expiratory system, urine formation, and also from disorders. Chapter 20, locomotion and movement. Maximum number of bits came from disorders. Chapter 21, neural control and coordination. Maximum number of bits came from sense organs, especially from eye. Chapter 22, chemical control and integration. So, maximum number of bits came from, almost all bits came from human endocrine system. Last year, in 2019, so a bit came from mechanism of hormone action. So this is the analysis related with respect to chapter wise analysis. So go through these analysis and then you can focus on the areas from which we will get the maximum number of bits. If you like my analysis, like, share and subscribe to NEERAJA'S Biology Academy. Click the bell icon for subsequent updates.